Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are y'all doing today? Thank you so much for coming. I am doing another episode of what I purchased from Purse Curator. I have been shopping with her since November, I think is when I made my first purchase. I purchased about three or four orders from her. It could be more because sometimes if they have double lives during the week, you kind of keep them together and they'll mail them all together. I have a big Vera Bradley collab with Tara from Tara's Boutique coming up. So I'm not sure if this is going to go up before that or if this is going to go up after that. But I wanted to show you the rest of the things that I have purchased from Purse Creator either way. So either way, if this comes out afterwards, please make sure to go back and watch my collab with Tara on Vera Bradley on February the 14th if you haven't seen it yet. If this comes out before, don't forget on February the 14th, go over to my channel and Tara's channel on February the 14th and watch our Vera Bradley collabs, okay? Alright, so we'll start with this one. This one looks like I purchased this around January the 20th, around there is when it got shipped. This is how she ships them in these bags when they're appropriate. It helps keep the shipping down, and we'll see together how it comes out. I don't remember what I ordered. She put this little sticker that says "Thank you for your order" on there, and oh, I bought this little Coach bag. Yes, it is. Isn't this cute? It has this little Coach tag right here. And then this, it's a gold Coach tag, and it has very small C's. And this is vintage-ish, you know how I say vintage-ish bag. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the bottom. Here's the top. It's so cute. It's, just a little crook of the arm. It does have like one little, but it's not gonna fit over my shoulder. But I, didn't get it for that. She did have it stuffed a little bit. Let's see. Here's the inside. Has a beautiful, to me this looks orange. So it's probably like orange red. Back here is the pocket. I was trying to see. Oh, look, I can turn it inside out and I'll be able to show y'all better. Very clean on the inside, very clean. Like I said, in my other video, she tries to make sure and send out clean items. This did have, see, ladies, it has a little bit of a pin mark on there. It's not a big deal at all, but if you use that single pin cover that I gave for my collab buddies, you'll save the Purse universe. So here is the creed right there. I don't know if you'll be able to see what it is, but I thought this was cute. I liked it because it had this little ruching gathering here on the side. I just think pleating, I just think that was just so cool, and I like that. There is teeny tiny wear here on the bottom, teeny tiny wear here, and teeny tiny wear here, but not anything to scare me off at all. In fact, I like them to have a little bit of life in them, and I love this handle. I mean the handle, the zipper pull, and I absolutely this is really why I got it, was for the charm, because it was just so charming. Get it? So charming. I know my puns are not punny. But here, let's use my Stanley cup to hold her up. Oh, that was why I wanted these as well. There we go. Here, this was back from January the 16th. Nice and taped, nice and weatherproof. There are 3 items in here. 3 items? Yeah, 3 items. One of which I think she threw in there for me. I want to say. Do this one. Isn't that beautiful? I thought this would be great, great for traveling, especially when we go to Margaritaville and Cancun. The Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville. It's just beautiful. It's like this is heavy. The bag isn't. It's a, I think it's, let's see, what is it? What did I write on here? I wrote that it was a Talbot clutch. So Talbot, T-A-L-B-O-T. Purse Creator has all kinds of brands that I've never heard of, but they've been around for a long time, but I have never heard of. Here's the front. Beautiful. Side, back, other side, bottom, top. Here's the inside. There's the inside. She has Talbot logo in leather, the leather strip right here, right there. And it has a front pocket, slip pocket, and the zipper pocket back here. And then here was all this little turtle one. Simply South is the brand, Simply South. And I just thought that was so cute. It has the turtles. The turtles. Here's the inside. Cute. Little back pocket, little front pocket, open cavern. These are great catch-alls that I like to put catch-alls. And it's zipper where you can put documents or, you know, whatever you want to keep waterproof or water resistant from here. So that was, it must have been Animal Day. Animal Day, we have a parrot and we have a turtle. And then this one right here is a sparkly purse. So she gave me a really good deal, or either gave it to me or gave me a really good deal. I don't know. I'll have to go back and check and see. I just thought it was really cute. She did sparkly purses for Christmas. I mean, for New Year's. Oh, yeah. It's a faux. This is faux. I was trying to open it. But it's magnet. Makes it nice and easy. And actually, when I saw this, it was making me think of Rael for Rael's Closet. She was like, I want a sparkly bag. Rael, you want to trade? Want to trade? So this is a Seska, London, New York, Seska. I know nothing about the brand. It was a great price. This also can be a clutch. You could oh, does it have a? Oh, it does. Ta-da! It has a chain. It's the chain is what's it called? The brass. Here is the inside of it right there. Here's the logo, Seska right there. And it's just like a nylon, like a plastic, I wouldn't say a plastic, but nylon-y, waterproof, you know, type. And it has a zipper. The zipper works fine. Has a zipper back here. So I think it's just cute. I mean, everyone needs some kind of sparkly bag in the collection, right? This was a good price, and it has this nice little leather shoulder strap. But I think it'll come down so I could wear it as a crossbody. See? Perfect. Is that in the way? There. See? Perfect. It's cute. Cute. How she says cute, coot. So this one was part of a Vera Bradley order that I made from her and that I was gifted. And has two different brands in here, but I'm going to go ahead and show them. This one is a Dooney, and this is a vintage Dooney, and it's a beautiful orange. Look at that. This is a shoulder. It has this great shoulder strap. These, if I want them, because they're usually just a little bit too short, I usually will undo them, and then I'll do a hook on there so that I can take them on and off and make it easier for storing and easier for me to wear. Has this beautiful luggage tag, Dooney luggage tag. Look at that. Isn't that just wonderful? They all know I'm the Dooney lover. And so I think a lot of times the ladies give me first dibs at it, which thank y'all very much. Here is the inside, and it's got the beautiful pink inside. The orange on the outside and this beautiful pink on the inside. And I'll do the 360 in just a second. Oops. So it has the key fob, the key keeper, which is the old-fashioned ones where it was leather, and then you can, you know, take them off. It has the middle zipper. It's hard to show these little hobo floppy bags. The material is really soft. It's beautiful. Did y'all see? Can y'all? I don't know if y'all can tell. I can't see on the screen, but it has swirlies, and it says Dooney and Bourke all around it. That's the front. Here's the back. Here's the side. Here's the bottom. The other side. It's very light. Yeah, so this was at Christmas time, and she put it says, a gift to you for, Robin Brown. Robin! This is so cute. This was part of, oh my goodness. You're gonna make me cry again. I had no idea, and I just now opened it. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much. See, these ladies just touch your heart. They become a big community. And she also gifted me the Vera Bradley, little lot of the Vera Bradleys that's coming out February the 14th. And now she gifted me this. Oh my God. Robin, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I gotta gather myself. See, you're gonna make me cry again. You're making me cry again. This is beautiful. It's even more special. I can't even concentrate. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, I had to gather my thoughts a little bit. This was a gift from Robin. Thank you, Robin. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you. And it's a great shoulder carry. Very good. I can't wait to use this. I like orange. Orange is a happy color. And look at that. Look, practically brand new. I mean, it's got really slight tanning in it, but not very much. Okay. Can't breathe. I can't breathe. The last one, this here. This is, I would say, a red burgundy orangey color. It won't, let me see. Almost just the slightest. I probably could get away with it as a shoulder bag, maybe. It definitely cooks up the arm, top handle. It is a Furla bag. Can you believe it? What I fell in love with this bag is you have the zippers here on the side. And it says Furla there. You have the zippers over here. It says Furla there. And Fuchsia Floyd is the one who turned me on to Furla. She has gotten, let's see, she has teeny tiny little corner wears here, 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 and here in all four corners, which is fine with me. Sometimes they'll go away once you condition them, but this is very soft, so I bet you Purse Creator probably cleaned it up and did the do with that. But if you need your bags to have more opening, you know, more width to them. You just unzip it, and then you have all that space there. And back here it has a back zipper pocket. I tried to stuff it with a little tissue. It has the Furla logo there. It has the back zipper here, right there. It also says Furla on the key. Why do I say the key? Zipper pull, on the zipper pull. And in the front, it has just a little bitty pocket here on the front, which I imagine they would think you could put your pins and stuff with you. But always put your pin in a single pin holder. I bought this on Amazon, didn't cost very much. This one is leather. And you just put your pin in there, and then this will go in here. And then you won't have to worry about pin marks. So it has a little age on her, and that's quite all right with me. I just thought that it was great. I don't know, did I show you she has feet? I don't know how old she is, what year she was created. I'll have to get with Eva from Fuchsia Floyd to find out if there's a way that you can tell what year it was from. So, but I thought it was cute. So I got a Furla bag, a gifted bag, a Dooney gifted bag from Robin. Thank you very much. A little pouch here, and a Talbot clutch here. This is definitely going with me to Cancun, Mexico when we go. I think we're planning a trip for 2025 because it's going to take us that long to save. We already have our cruises booked ahead, so. And they have turtles on the beach there that the wild preserve will cordon off. We got to see the eggs, and we didn't get to see them hatch. The people had seen them hatch that morning, but we were too late to see them hatch, but we got to see the babies, and they had them all pinned up and everything so they don't take off to the ocean when they're too young. And they come and check on them, and they just make sure that they're still viable, and see if they need anything, see if the moms are still with them, because they keep them with the moms there, and they just keep them protected from, you know, all of the visitors that, you know, that they have going back and forth. And you can go into the area and see them, but you know, you're not allowed to touch them, feed them, disturb them in any way. You know, they have it cordoned off. You know, I'm losing my vocabulary. It's like I know these words, I say them in my head, but they don't come out of my mouth anymore. It's because I don't talk enough. It's too much kid talk. So I need to practice. So anyway, thank you very much, Purse Creator, for welcoming me onto your channel and allowing me to do some purchases from you. Thank you for the community you have over there. I love our Sunday fun days. And thank you, Robin, so much, so much for the gift. I greatly appreciated you. You made me cry for a second time. So thank you very much. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thank you so much. Don't forget that if you would like a sticker, all you have to do is send me your address via email or Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to stick one in the mail for you. Alrighty. Love y'all.